Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. There's a couple of different things that could be going wrong if your sound is not working, so I'm going to go through them with you now. I'm on Messenger, and the first thing you want to do is to check to make sure your internet and cellular data are okay. What you want to do is slide from the top right to the bottom, and this opens up this kind of menu, and at the top left-hand corner, it says that I have my Wi-Fi on and my cellular data. Sometimes having them both on is just not as fast as just using your cellular data. So if that's an option, all you need to do is, turn off your Wi-Fi and just work on your cellular data, and that should fix the problem there. If you want to just turn that back on, get out of there. Now, say it's still not working. The first thing or the second thing I want to check is to make sure the app is installed and updated. Sometimes it's a glitch in the system, so you need to make sure it's fully updated to fix all of that. So I went to my app store, I typed in Messenger's top one. If it says update where mine says open, that means it's not fully updated and you need to update it, and then you could try again there. So once it's updated, or if it was already updated, the next thing you want to try is just to reset the app completely. Get all the bugs out. If you go to settings and you scroll down to general and then go to iPhone storage. Once we're there, we're going to go down to Messenger. Click on that, and then we're just going to offload the app. Offloading the app doesn't do anything to the app itself. It just kind of frees up the storage. We're going to push reinstall app. Clears up any of the clutter. It doesn't do anything to your content on it. It's just like if you deleted the app from your homepage and then re-downloaded it from the app store. So we'll let this go. It might take 1 to 2 minutes to do it. All right, perfect. It's all the way offloaded and reinstalled. And so now once you've done that, all the glitches are out of the system, so you can go back to your app and it should be working now. If you guys have any questions on any of that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.